to strengthen sustainable livelihood, to open doors to possibilities, to nurture self-employment and entrepreneurship. Among the rural women, Assam State Rural Livelihoods Mission was established on the 11th of November 2011. Assam State Rural Livelihoods Mission aims to alleviate rural poverty and create sustainable livelihood opportunities for rural poor. In order to protect their family, assets, property and themselves from financial risk and losses, enrolling SHG members in government insurance schemes like PMSBY and PMJJBY has paved new dimensions of economic consciousness. The members of the self-help groups are further amalgamated into approximately 2,800 producer groups under farm sector and almost 34,000 producer enterprises under the non-farm sector. With raising concerns on environmental pollution, organic cultivation has become the necessity for the healthy well-being of humans and animals. Through the Poshan Vartikas or Nutri Gardens that have been developed, approximately 9.10 lakh SHG members have been growing local crops, vegetables and fruits for self-consumption and selling in the local markets through women-managed Mahila Bazaar. ASRLM is committed to preserve the age-old heritage of Assam by encouraging its SHG members to go for Muga Mezankari cultivation and Assamese traditional jewelry. Finding marketing spaces for SHG products is a challenge which has been overcome through participation in various national and state-level exhibitions, fairs, e-commerce interventions like Flipkart and Amazon, government e-marketing platforms, SHG retail marts. A revolution is on its verge for a prolific growth both in farm and non-farm sectors of livelihoods.
We are in pig farming business and our earning is 25,000 to 30,000 per month.
With the guidance of ASRLM, we have started this homestay.
ASRLM have given enough help to us for this project Mahabahu Bamboo Cottage. We are thankful for their cooperation.
Assam State Rural Livelihood Mission is committed to be a reason to empower, to dream beyond boundaries, to give wings to soar high towards the zenith of success and aspire towards a greater, better and amazing Assam.